All right, so check this out, guys. I'm starting this plant-based detox, 14-day detox by Dr. Bobby Price. Even though Dr. Bobby Price he focuses on having a plant-based diet, how that could reverse, a lot of different diet-related diseases, things of that nature. So I'm trying his product because, I follow him on social media. I really started, listening to a lot of things he said about, what we put in our bodies, how he started this lifestyle, lost weight, and he promotes, living that healthy lifestyle. So I wanted to give it a try. So a lot of good reviews on it, and I want to share this with you guys because if you guys out there looking to try a detox product, these products are totally herb and plant-based blend. One is the tummy Teatox and the other one's the Parasite, and you're supposed to do 2 tablespoons each of these when boiling water and put it in a mason jar. So you can see here I boil some water, let it sit, and you're supposed to drink this, sip on it throughout the day, both jars. So you can see that there's 2 different colors, this one and this one, throughout the day, while eating a plant-based diet. No processed foods, no alcohol, no sugar, all strictly foods that are grown from the earth. He also gives you some suggested items to eat, things of that nature. So I wanted to try this product out because I wanted to see how, this works. I saw him, with a lot of different interviews with a lot of content creators and celebrities and things of that nature. And I figured, what the hell, let me try this product. So this one is the 14-day. I'll get back at you guys with my results, and also too, what I think about the, this detox if you guys want to try it and the effects of it. You're supposed to, we'll definitely, according to a lot of the different reviews, lose weight on this product, but also too, you're supposed to have more energy, totally cleansing the body of toxins. So we'll get back to you with my review on this product and the results. And I'm going to be drinking these shits every day, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so I just completed my 14-day detox cleanse from Dr. Bobby Price, and I got to tell you, there's a couple comments that I have about this product. Number one, the first 2 days, your taste buds got to adjust to the bitterness. That tummy Teatox, that shit for the first 3 days was nasty. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, it was kind of rough, but after a couple of days, your taste buds will adjust to the taste. But overall, I got to tell you, I actually have some amazing results from using this product. I was actually surprised that I was able to stick to just eating raw fruits and vegetables. I do like meat, but for the 2 weeks, man, I held strong. I did not eat meat, any dairy products, or any processed foods. It was just raw fruits and vegetables. And I got to tell you, man, the first thing I want to say is my sleep has improved dramatically. Like, I wasn't getting up in the middle of the night. I wasn't like struggling. Like, I went straight to sleep and slept for like 8 hours straight. And I think that really helped me with my energy levels. So my sleep has improved. Like, you will notice that after a couple of days, your shift in sleeping will dramatically improve. I'm not sure if other people have that same or share that same experience, but definitely my sleep has improved. Number 2, I lost about 14 pounds in these 14 days. That was actually really, really surprising, but I knew I would lose weight, but that's not what I was anticipating using this product for. But I did lose 14 pounds, which is great. My stomach actually feels flattened, and what I did do was I did incorporate intermittent fasting too. So, I pretty much ate 2 meals a day, did intermittent fasting, and just had, fruits and the fruits that I ate all had seeds. Let me just tell you one thing, man. Stop with this seedless bullshit. Like, if you go and eat fruits with seeds in it. That's, Anyway, not to get off topic, but definitely I lost weight. My energy level actually increased dramatically. Let me tell you, I was more focused. I was more, I had a lot of more mental clarity, and I was able to complete tasks faster, and I was able to do more work, if that makes sense. So my energy level increased, and it increased significantly. So I definitely would recommend using this product. Actually, this actually helped me sort of transition to, seeing if this lifestyle of just sticking to a plant-based diet will be my new lifestyle. I'm still kind of contemplating and thinking about that a little bit more. I do like meat, but I haven't ate meat in the last two weeks. But overall, my results were incredible. I feel really, really good and amazing. And, this may be something that a lot of you guys may be interested in incorporating as you go through your journey and you start to develop positive habits that's going to ultimately get you the results that you want. Diet is everything, man. Diet is one of the foundations and the key importance, that's going to put us in a position to live healthier lifestyles. So I highly recommend this product. Those are the really the big key things: the sleep, the weight loss, and just my energy levels. And I feel good. I feel great. So I highly recommend using this product. Let's get fit. Let's gain wealth. Let's improve our lifestyle. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys use this product. What are your thoughts? Maybe you had a different experience, and I would like for everyone to share, what was your experience? How was it helpful? Were you expecting the results that you were looking for? And what were some other things that was able to contribute to your success using this product? I'll get back at with you guys later.